Assalamualaikum. I am Onik Dash from Chattogram. I live in a nuclear family with my parents and my elder sister. Now I will discuss about power station. Now I am telling about description power station. Actually, a power station or power plant is a facility for the generation of electric power. At the center of nearly all power station is a generator, a rotating machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy by creating relative motion, magnetic field and conductor. All power plant actually very important for our theoretical life. Raujan power plant is one of the most power plant. Now I will discuss about Raujan power plant, its history, its primary fuel, its operation, its owner, its location, its efficiency, etc. Now I will discuss its introduction. Raujan power plant is a gas-fired thermal power station in Bangladesh. Official name of this station is Raujan Tabbidyut Kendra. It also called Chittagong Thermal Power Station. It is located in Raujan Upazila district 25 kilometers northeast from Chittagong on the south side of Chittagong Kaptai Highway. It is owned and operated by the Bangladesh Power Development Board, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Now I will discuss its history. Construction of the power station started on 1 February 1990 and the first unit was commissioned on 31 July 1993. It was constructed and credited by the China National Machinery and Equipment Import and Export Corporation. Now I will discuss its simple overview. Its official name Raujan Tabbidyut Kendra. Its country Bangladesh. Its location Raujan Upazila of Chittagong district. Its commission date 31 July 1993. Its owner Government of the People's Republics of Bangladesh. Its operator Bangladesh Power Development Board. Its thermal power station. Its primary fuel is natural gas and its make and model Dongfang. Nameplate capacity 420 megawatt. Now I will discuss its technical features. The power station consists of two identical gas-fired units with initial capacity of 210 megawatt and generating capacity of 180 megawatt both. It is supplied from the Bakrapat and Feni gas field and from the Shango offshore field. It has rated capacity of 210 megawatt and a normal speed of 3000 rpm. The steam flow at rated parameter of fuel is 65 into 2 megawatt at the temperature of 538 degrees Celsius with a live steam pressure of 12 into 9 megapixel. The turbine was delivered in July 1991. Now I will discuss its boiler technical specification. It manufactured Dongfang combustion temperature 2046 degrees Celsius, number of burners 4:4 and its efficiency 94%. Now I will discuss its turbine technical specification. Its manufactured Dongfang rated capacity 210 megawatt. Its cylinder 3 HP IPLP. It has stages 12 to 10. Its condensing pressure 11.01 kPa. Now I will discuss its generator main exciter pilot technical specification. Its frequency 50 megahertz and its main excitor 100 hertz and its pilot excitor 400 hertz. It measure auxiliary equipment, feed water pump, circulating water pump, condense pump, ID fan, FD fan. Now I will discuss its advantage and disadvantages. Actually, Rajasthan power plant has many advantage. Now I description it. Rajasthan power plant incur low operational cost because they rely on relatively simple operation compared with other type of energy. Rajasthan power stand out as an environmentally friendly energy source, requires low amount of fuel, its stability and its high degree of safety. Produce no polluting gases, does not contribute to global warming. Local thermal pollution from wastewater affects marine life. Now I will discuss the disadvantages. Produce radioactive waste, impact on the environment, security threat, limited fuel supply. Now I will discuss its transformation technical specification. Its cooling oil 0 DAF, um, and its power flow from CPS substation, power flow to Hatajari grid substation. It voltage 230. Its cable OHT, number of circuits 2 and its length 22 km. Its generator main effect pilot technical specification and boiler technical specification is most important. The major data for Chittagong power plant that we learned is given below with proper specification. The number of burns 4:4, and the superheated steam temperature 541 degrees Celsius and superheated steam pressure 13.7 MPa. The boiler is a 30.7 to 40 type of super high pressure, one intermediate are heat cycle and single drum natural cycle type boiler manufactured by Dongfeng in China. It has a steam generating capacity of 680, generating 541 degrees Celsius, 30 into 73 megapixel pressured steam at the boiler outlet. At full load, it consumes 5695 is to 4 meter cube H of natural gas. The efficiency of the boiler is rated at 94 into 93%. Transformer are manufactured by Shanyang of China. Now I will discuss its conclusion. The industrial visit to the Chittagong thermal power station Raujan was highly successful. We received insight of the whole plant right from the raw material processing, combustion and generation of transmission of electricity. This visit was carried out under the major activity head of technical research skill and sub activity head of industrial exhibition visit with report. The main focus of the industrial visit is to fill the breach between technical concepts taught in curriculum and industry applied concepts. Various technical concepts were discussed with the students which are applied in the field of electrical engineering. The whole process was explained in detail by the representative with details description about each equipment with the specification. A doubt solving session with the control room in charge dared all our queries. These kinds of industrial expo helped us to absorb the technical theoretical aspects of thermal and fluid power engineering more efficiency. We would highly appreciate more such visit in the future. Thanks everybody for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.